Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the adapter type and driver because that dictates the connection method and network behavior. Plug the converter into the USB port. Use USB 3.0 for best throughput. Once connected, install or verify the chipset driver. The OS may auto-install it, but manual installation prevents link issues. Make sure to use a powered hub if the adapter draws more current, and keep an Ethernet cable ready so you can establish the physical link immediately. Once the adapter and cable are attached, open your computer's network settings and locate the new Ethernet interface. You will enable it, then choose DHCP for automatic addressing or enter a static IP when required by your network. Adjust MTU and duplex only if you see performance issues. Most networks use auto-negotiation. After applying DNS and gateway values, test connectivity with a ping or browser. This shows whether the link, negotiated speed, and routing are correct. To finish, confirm the adapter's link lights and the OS reports the negotiated speed. That proves the physical layer is good. If you still lack connectivity, reboot the machine, change the Ethernet cable, switch the USB port, or temporarily disable Wi-Fi to ensure priority. Reinstall the driver if the interface shows errors. For deeper diagnosis, use ipconfig or ifconfig and ping. These commands reveal IP, DNS, and routing problems, so you can correct settings or replace faulty hardware.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.